Hey everyone, I'm Lauren Gertson. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner and I share a head start for your healing journey. Today I'm going to show you how to make paleo coconut cranberry chocolate chip cookies. These are my go-to cookies when I need to bring a treat or a dessert for a family gathering or a party. So I brought these to my last family Christmas party and they were a big hit. Even people who normally ate gluten would go back for seconds of these cookies before they were going back for seconds of the other gluten-filled desserts. So also, if cranberries aren't your thing, what you can do in this recipe is double up on the chocolate chips, take out the cranberries, and the base cookie recipe is really flexible if you want to experiment with different kinds of nuts or seeds or dried fruit or spices in the cookies as well. So let's get started.